Is it possible to refresh a fluffy wash and go? We're just about to find out. Good afternoon, you. I did a wash and go yesterday. My day, I was a little bit low in energy, so I didn't have a lot of energy to do a lot of section. My wash and go ended up quite fluffy. It was okay, but it was not going to last that long because it didn't have that much hold. So today I have something to do, and I want my hair to look a little bit more refreshed. Put it yesterday in almost like space bun, so like 2-band tunas like I often do, and it's a little bit stretched today. Well, it was not on purpose, I just want to put my hair away. So I see if I can use just water and mousse to, maybe even just mousse, to try to refresh my hair so I can use it out today. If this goes wrong, it might end up in a ponytail. So that's what I'm going to do, and hope for the best. Curious about this, or you like this kind of calm, relaxed videos, get ready with me. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I have my continuous spray. I never remember the name of this for some reason. And there's bottled water in here. I am in Denmark, and here we have very hard water. Sometimes I use bottled water for my hair. It makes it feel softer, less stiff, and I actually think my scalp likes it better also. So I just sprayed a small amount, and I'm going to use this mousse. This mousse is the LottaBody coconut and shea oils. It's not coconut oil in it, it's coconut water. So even if you might be sensitive to coconut oil, it seems that some people might not be sensitive to coconut water, so you might be able to use this. I've reviewed this a few times. I love it still, so I use it quite often. Often those days where I'm not making hair experiments, I might be using this, especially in the summer. If I want a day where my hair is like light and fluffy, I don't need a bunch of definition, but I want to wear it out without it tangling, then I'll use this mousse. And it has a very pleasant scent also, so I also enjoy where people get close and they have like a pleasant, fresh, slightly coconutty scent. I think sometimes people might think it's like a body lotion or something, but it's actually my hair. So yeah, about my hair, I have 4B, 4C hair. I think I have the front is mainly 4B, and my hair in the back is mainly 4B, and my hair strands are quite fine actually. And for many years I had very dense, I would say high density hair, but now that after my 40s, it has become thinner. But I must say I also have issues with my thyroid, so it could also be related. Could be a combination of both. And I've been making an effort to combat that a little bit with what I eat and some vitamins. Actually, I should mention, I had made a video where I mentioned, I think I'll put it in the description box. I think it's my video about hair loss. I had put the vitamins I take, and actually lately I've been considering changing from gummy vitamins to like tablets, like without the sweeteners, because you know this candy. Oh no, I'll show you. Yeah, anyway, this sweet flavor of it, I wonder if it makes me crave sweets a little bit more. I don't know. I had given up on tablets because I sometimes might have issues like swallowing all these like vitamin D and all the vitamins I was taking for my health. So yeah, a lot of my deficiencies have gotten better with eating better actually. So I might be cutting down on some of the supplements I've been taking. My blood tests, except for my thyroid, most things were fine. So I might be doing that. So if I do start taking some other kinds instead of the gummies, I'll share it with you. And if you take any vitamins for your thyroid issues, perimenopause, or your hair, make sure to share in the comment section so the rest of us also can perhaps use that idea also. This is going quite fast actually. I cannot see myself in, so often I find out later on what my hair looks like. Yesterday when I finished filming the video, I could see my hair looked a little bit fluffy, but I kind of like the it had a lot of volume though, so it's a little bit difficult what to pick, if it should be have a lot of volume or it should be defined. It seems as for me it's either or. Today was actually, I don't do that much other social media other than YouTube, but I sometimes check my Instagram account. And there's this girl I follow. She has like her texture is looser than mine, but I like to see her hair. It's very pretty. Her name, I think her Instagram name is Christina Matters or something like that. You might know who it is. And she did a wash and go with a very strong gel, and her hair was like completely pin straight. So she ended up putting some clip-ins. And I've actually thought about that. That would be a way of getting a lot of definition, and at the same time get like volume, like the definition on your own hair, and then put on a few clip-ins that match your hair when it's highly defined to get some volume. I've thought about that. I don't know how it will work though, because since my hair is fine, I'm a little bit afraid that the how do you call it, like the clips from the clip-ins might like break my hair. I don't know, especially like my hair is growing a little bit thicker now that I'm eating better and that I'm taking the right supplements, and my medication dose has been adjusted. It has taken months though, so maybe the hair would withstand it. But like my hair in the ends, I don't think I could have done that when it was all the way up here. It would have broken, I think. Yeah. Have you tried clip-ins? Let me know if you tried hair clip-ins, or what's your opinion. I know that there's more and more women who've chosen to stop using like wigs or like artificial hair in general, braids, because of the chemicals and so on. I'm not giving up on wigs complete, or general. I'm not giving up on anything. A lot of the things I don't do because I don't think my hair can take it, or my scalp, because I also have sensitive scalp. Anyway, share your thoughts about that in the comments. Oops, oh no, I dropped a small amount on the floor. I have to clean it properly. Anyway, that I'm almost done, and I hope it looks nice, because I don't really have time to do that much. If it doesn't look good, I'll have to put it on a ponytail. Yeah, because I have to have dinner and leave in a few minutes. So yeah, so you'll see it now, and I'll see it later when I look at myself in the mirror. But yeah, I hope this helps you. It's easy to refresh your hair. It doesn't take too long, even if your wash and go ended up fluffier than you were hoping for. And yeah, you let me know what you think and what your hair is like. Is it similar to mine? These are my results, and yeah, I hope you will like that. This is my outfit for today. And if you want to spend a little bit more time with me right now, YouTube is about to suggest another video like this. Thank you for watching.